I'm Chemist Mary. Okay, let's quickly solve this video. No need for introduction. No introduction needed. That's interesting. Okay, let's move on. Let's just quickly solve this. Which of the following species correctly represents an ion of M with 13 protons and 10 electrons? These are the options. So the question is, which of these represents an ion of M with 13 protons and 13 electrons? Now there are three things to take note of. Now, first of all, once the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, just know that it is neutral. You get? When number of protons and number of electrons are the same, it is what? Neutral, which means there is no reaction occurring, like the noble gases like argon. But now once the number of protons is higher than that of electrons, it means that element is positively charged. But once the number of electrons is higher than the number of protons, it means that element is what? Negatively charged. So once proton many pass electron, the element is positively charged. While if the electron many pass proton, the element is negatively charged. Now in the question you can see we have 13 protons and 10 electrons. So therefore the element is what? Positively charged, because protons in this question is more than the electrons. So the element is what? Positively charged. So any element with minus, just cancel it out. Okay, so we're left with these two. And remember, proton number is equal to the what? The atomic number. And atomic number is always written at the bottom left downside. So we can bring it here and say this is 3. Is it 3 that is there? 13, sorry. 13 atomic number. 3 plus. And this also indicates that it's giving out 3 electrons. It's giving out 3 electrons. It's electropositive. So this is what? The answer for number 1. Now number 2, it says a particle that contains 9 protons, 10 neutrons and 10 electrons is... Okay, now remember I said when the number of protons and the number of electrons are not the same. If they are the same, it's neutral. But if they are not the same, it means that they are what? Ions. It could be positive or negative. So all the neutrals are out. Bros, you guys are out. Because the element cannot be neutral. Because number of protons is not equal to the number of electrons. Okay, we are good with that. Now we are left with A and B. Now I also said that if the number of protons is higher than electrons, it is positively charged. But if the number of electrons is higher than protons, it is negatively charged. And you can see that the electrons are more than the protons. So in this case, this will be a negative ion. So our answer, remember our answer here was C. Our answer here will be what? A. Negative ion. Negative ion. Now what about... Then I say that we should write out the structure. What will you do? Okay, let's introduce maybe M again. M. Remember the number of proton equals the atomic number. Proton number is the atomic number. So therefore I'm going to write 9 here. Proton number always here, and mass number is here. And remember mass number is what? Atomic. If you watch my previous video, I said atomic number is equals to proton number plus neutron number, which is 9 plus 10. We have 19 here. And since it's negative ion, it's gaining electron, we have minus. So this can be the structure. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please click on the plus sign to follow me. Like, share and comment, because knowledge, they say, is power. And also if you go to my bio, you see the link that will take you straight to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, share, like and comment. And hit on the notification bell so I'll be the first to be notified if I release any of my videos. Thank you and stay tuned.